2026 BMW X2 is a compelling example of how the compact luxury SUV segment has evolved, blending performance, design, and advanced technology into a cohesive and appealing package. From an aesthetic standpoint, the X2 stands out with its sleek, coupe-like silhouette, a characteristic inspired by the larger X6, which gives the vehicle a sporty yet elegant stance. The bold hexagonal kidney grille is complemented by optional iconic glow lighting, which enhances its modern appeal. Inside, the X2 impresses with BMW's innovative curved display, incorporating a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, all running on the intuitive BMW Operating System 9. From a performance perspective, the 2026 BMW X2 offers a variety of powertrains, each catering to different driver preferences. The xDrive 28i model, equipped with a 2.0-litre turbocharged engine producing 241 horsepower, offers an engaging driving experience with a 0 to 60 mph acceleration time of 6.2 seconds. For those seeking more performance-oriented options, the M35i xDrive variant delivers a more potent 312 horsepower, enabling a significantly quicker 0 to 60 mph time of 5.4 seconds. Furthermore, BMW has introduced an electric variant, the iX2 xDrive 30, offering 313 horsepower and a range of up to 449 kilometers on a full charge, according to the WLTP standard. The 2026 X2 also excels in practicality and interior space, a critical factor for consumers seeking a versatile yet stylish vehicle. Despite its sporty exterior, the X2 offers a surprising amount of room, with a flexible cargo capacity ranging from 515 to 560 litres, making it well suited for both daily errands and longer road trips. The interior is not only spacious, but also comes equipped with a suite of modern technology and safety features, including LED headlights, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a range of driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking.